Today, we're taking a detailed look at Annai Mathammal Sheela Engineering College, located in Namakkal. Its TNEA code is 2602.
So, right off the bat, you should know this isn't some new college. It's been around for a while, established way back in 1996, and it's affiliated with Annai University in Chennai.
All right, let's get into the basics, the college's identity and its history.
Here's a quick snapshot of what you need to know. It's a private, self-financing college, and it's non-autonomous. What that means for you is that admissions are handled through the TNEA counseling process. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, and the remaining 35% fall under the management quota. And yes, it's a co-ed campus located in Namakkal district.
The college was founded in 1996 by the Mathammal Sheela Charitable Trust, and it's interesting to see that just 5 years later, in 2001, they launched their Alumni Association. That's right when their very first batch of students would have been graduating. Now, what about approvals? Well, the college has its approval from the AICTE, that's the All India Council for Technical Education. This is a big deal as it confirms that the college meets the national standards for the upcoming academic year. Okay, so with that foundation, what can you actually study here? Let's check out the undergraduate engineering programs they offer. For anyone looking at the next TNEA counseling, this is the key number. The college has a total of 330 seats available across all its BE and B.Tech programs. All right, here's the breakdown. There are 8 different engineering programs. You'll notice the highest intake, 60 seats each, is for computer science, IT, and medical electronics. Then you have 5 other branches with 30 seats each, including interesting fields like AI and data science and robotics and automation. So it's a decent mix of core engineering and more modern specializations. And looking at this list, you can see they're trying to stay current. 5 of their 8 programs were introduced pretty recently in 2018 or later. This includes high-demand areas like artificial intelligence and robotics, which are obviously huge in today's job market. Okay, enough about academics for a moment. Let's talk about the physical stuff, the campus, where you'd live, and how you'd get there. The college itself is on a pretty large campus. We're talking 100 acres, located in a place called Iramapati in Namakkal. In terms of facilities, the essentials are covered. There's a central library with more than 13,000 books, a big auditorium that can hold 1,500 people, and sports facilities for both indoor and outdoor games. You've also got an on-campus cafeteria and a 24-hour ATM. And for students who want to get involved in community work, there are units like NSS and the Youth Red Cross. Now, if you're planning to stay on campus, they do have separate hostels for boys and girls with a common mess. And for day scholars, the college runs its own buses. If you're coming from further away, the nearest major transit point is the Namakkal railway station, which is about 19 kilometers away. Next up, let's touch on a topic that's really important for many families: scholarships and financial aid.
The college seems to be quite helpful in connecting students with various government scholarships. This support covers a wide range of students, including those from BC, MBC, SC, and ST communities. There are also schemes for students with high marks, for children of farmers, and for those from minority communities or who are physically challenged.
All right, now for the part that every student and parent really wants to know about. What happens after graduation? Let's talk placements and results. So according to the information the college submitted for the TNEA 2025 admissions process, they reported a placement rate of 80%. And to give you a feel for who recruits from here, these are some of the company names the college has provided. As you can see, it's a mix from different sectors, like manufacturing, IT services, and finance, with many coming from major hubs like Chennai and Coimbatore. But placements are only one side of the coin. A much deeper measure of academic strength is how students actually perform in their official university exams. So, what's the story there? Okay, now this is a number you absolutely need to pay attention to. The official results from Annai University for the November-December 2024 exams show an overall pass percentage of just 18.7% for this college. Frankly, that's a very low number, and it definitely raises some serious questions about the learning environment and the kind of academic support students are getting. All right, let's wrap up by looking at some of the college's past achievements and distinctions. Looking back in their history, there are a couple of notable points. From 2008 to 2012, the Mechanical Engineering Department completed a research project funded by AICTE. Also, back in 2009 and 2010, their postgraduate students did very well, securing top university ranks. It's important to note this information is over a decade old, but it does show some past strengths.
Just a quick note, all the information we've shared today is based on what was available on the college's official website and on government portals at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.